Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream Kremdensada. First, gather your ingredients. 1 large can of all-purpose cream and 1 can of condensed milk. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are very cold. Chilling them helps achieve the best texture. Now, whip the all-purpose cream until it forms soft peaks. Gently fold in the condensed milk until just combined. Once your base is ready, it's time to add your favorite flavors. You can mix in fruit purees, chocolate chips, or even crushed cookies. Gently fold these additions into the cream mixture. Next, pour the entire mixture into a freezer-safe container, ensuring it's sealed tightly. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, though overnight freezing yields the best consistency. After patiently waiting, your homemade ice cream Kremdensada is ready to enjoy. For the best scooping experience, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly. Serve it in bowls or cones and feel free to add your favorite toppings, such as fresh fruit, sprinkles, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Store any remaining ice cream in an airtight container in the freezer. Here are a few extra tips to perfect your ice cream. For an even richer and creamier texture, consider using full-fat versions of your dairy ingredients. Don't be afraid to experiment with various extracts like vanilla, almond, or even coffee to create unique flavors. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.